Hi friends, this is a Mumbai International Duty Free shop. So there are a lot of shops here. Starbucks coffee shop, and left hand side is McDonald's as well. Yes. So if you want to buy any chips packet through this box, you can buy it. Yes. This is a McDonald's. You can go and eat burgers, pizza. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more videos if you want to see. So do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Just look at the ceiling. It's a beautiful view. So if you want to buy thumbs up juice, cool drinks, so this is your tabs. You can choose the product. Yes, thumbs up it's around 100 rupees. You can click the thumbs up, then pay by Google Pay on online transaction. Then you will get it later thumbs up. So this is a very good for the passengers who would like to drink the juice, Coca-Cola, and thumbs up, Sprite. A lot of cool drinks is available in this box, so you can buy it, then drink it later. Wow, it's a nice view.
पर भी इधर है।